has your shoes on. Fort McMurray weather is too harsh for those paws. Let's see.
Good girl, baby. I know this.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
She doesn't want to get out.
She gets used to it. She's gonna get used to it.